TED Talks have become a global phenomenon, captivating audiences with their powerful ideas and inspiring speakers. But behind every impactful TED Talk lies a set of essential skills that enable speakers to connect with their audience and deliver their message effectively. So in this video, we'll dive into 4 key skills of a successful TED Talk presenter that you can use to elevate your presentations to new heights. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. One of the remarkable aspects of TED Talks is the speaker's ability to establish a genuine connection with the audience. This begins with self-disclosure, the art of sharing personal stories, experiences, or vulnerabilities. By revealing a part of themselves, speakers create an emotional bond with their audience, making their talk way more relatable and engaging. And what better way to describe the power of self-disclosure than by listing 2 examples of widely popular TED Talks where this skill was mastered. Kevin Robinson, in his widely acclaimed TED Talk, Do Schools Kill Creativity?, showcases the power of self-disclosure in building a connection with the audience. Throughout his talk, Robinson shares personal anecdotes from his childhood, highlighting his own experiences within the educational system. By vulnerably sharing his own journey, he establishes an immediate connection with the audience, as many can relate to their own experiences within the education system. Similarly, Brené Brown's TED Talk on the power of vulnerability is a testament to the profound effect of self-disclosure. Brown delves into her personal experiences and research on shame, vulnerability, and human connection. She courageously shares moments of her own struggles, illustrating how vulnerability can lead to a more meaningful and wholehearted life. By revealing her own fears and insecurities, she establishes an immediate connection with her audience, fostering a sense of empathy and understanding. In both of these examples, self-disclosure plays a pivotal role in building a connection with the audience. If you'd like to watch the TED Talks by Kevin and Brené, you can find the links in the description box below. To deliver a memorable TED Talk, you need to understand your audience. What are their interests, concerns, and aspirations? By conducting research and identifying common threads, you can tailor your content to resonate with your specific audience. Being relatable involves speaking in a language that your audience understands, using relevant examples and anecdotes that capture their attention. Here is a great example by Bruce Aylward and his talk on how we'll stop polio for good. During his talk, Aylward hooks the audience by getting them to imagine how science and technology have changed the world. This exercise connects their personal experiences to the overall theme, engaging them actively. Afterward, he poses questions and problems in order to stimulate people's curiosity and ignite their desire for answers and solutions. And through this emotional investment, he creates a deep resonance with his message. As a result, his interactive approach ensures that the message goes beyond passive listening, turning it into a captivating experience that inspires action and drives change. Now, let's talk about the visual experience. In addition to compelling storytelling, the visual aspect of a TED Talk presentation plays a vital role in keeping your audience engaged. While traditional presentations can be effective if you want to stand out, but if you want to stand out, you want to consider using Prezi. With Prezi, you can create non-linear presentations that zoom in and out, providing a visually engaging and interactive experience for your audience. And even if you don't have an eye for design, you can still create amazing presentations using templates. While there are plenty of great Prezis out there, let's take a quick look at 2 Prezi presentations that were used at TED Talks. Mike Velling's TED Talk on aquaculture utilizes Prezi to captivate and educate the audience. Through Prezi's dynamic features, he takes the audience on a captivating journey, immersing them in the world of aquaculture. The zooming function reveals intricate details, showcasing the interconnectedness of fish farms and marine ecosystems. The presentation's logical flow effectively communicates the challenges and opportunities. Overall, this presentation inspires empathy and highlights the importance of sustainable aquaculture. Similarly, Mark Terrell's TED Talk, The Air We Breathe, also uses Prezi to engage his audience. His dynamic storytelling takes the audience on a multi-dimensional journey beyond traditional slides. Prezi's flexibility allows him to seamlessly explore different ideas and show how they're connected. Additionally, the impactful visuals evoke emotions, making the audience feel a deeper connection to the topic and motivate them to take action. Ultimately, by using Prezi, you can create highly engaging and visually appealing presentations that'll leave a lasting impression, just like Mike and Mark's. And last, but definitely not least, is confidence. Tony Robbins' TED Talk titled Why We Do What We Do is a masterclass in confident public speaking. Robbins' confidence is evident in the way he delivers his speech with unwavering conviction. He takes mindful pauses, eliminates any unnecessary filler words, which not only adds weight to his message, but also shows that he has command over his words. Every word he speaks is deliberate, clear, and carries a sense of intention and purpose. Additionally, Robbins' confident body language further enhances his impact. His gestures are purposeful and meaningful, emphasizing key points and drawing the audience's attention. Overall, Robbins' confidence shines through every aspect of his TED Talk, making it an engaging and inspiring experience for his audience. If you want to become a more confident speaker, make sure to consistently rehearse your speech in front of your family and your friends and study your own body language to leave a great impression on your audience. And there you have it, 4 TED Talk skills that can elevate your presentations, making them more engaging and memorable. So go ahead, prepare, practice, and embrace these skills, and make sure to share this video with anyone who you think would benefit from it. I'm Meba from Prez's marketing team, and I wish you success in delivering an impactful presentation that truly moves your audience. Have fun, and see you next time.